Hi everyone, welcome back to another video. Today I'll be showing you a very easy breakfast recipe, egg bake. These are the following ingredients I'll be using: half a red pepper chopped into small pieces, 2 tablespoons of spring onions, 50 grams of cheddar cheese, 50 grams of parmesan cheese, 5 to 6 eggs. I am using white bread and I have cut the edges of the bread. These white breads are small in size, so I will be using 5. 1 teaspoon of oregano, 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, 1 teaspoon of paprika, 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of chili flakes, 1 teaspoon of black pepper. That is all the ingredients we will need to make the egg bake. Let's get started. In a bowl, I will first add in the eggs. Now I will whisk the eggs. Spices and herbs. Pepper, spring onion, cheddar and mozzarella cheese. Mix everything till well combined. I have grease-proofed an oven dish. I find it makes it easier to take the egg bake out of the dish. You can also use non-stick spray instead. I will first place the white breads. The 5th bread I have just cut into half. I will pour in the mixture and spread it out. I have preheated the oven 180 degrees and I will leave it in for 25 minutes. Ready to take out of the oven. Egg bake is ready to be served. Looks delicious. I have removed the greaseproof paper and cut the egg bake into slices. Thank you for watching. If you are new to my channel, please subscribe, comment, like and share.